Alright, so if you've ever worked with any Ethernet components, scale industry or otherwise, say you got a little Ethernet card like this, you already know by talking to tech support or some IT guys that a crossover cable is needed, but how are you going to identify what cable is which? I'm sure sitting in your truck, you probably have a couple of cables just laying around, like a couple of these sitting in my drawer. And I call it the clip to the floor test. So these clips on the back of the connectors, if you have them to the floor and you look at the ends, you can see that this color pattern is the same on both sides. Now this would be a straight through cable, but we want a crossover. So clips to the floor, and you can see that the first two wires have actually switched positions. So this will allow you to go from an indicator to a computer, from a printer to a computer, indicator to indicator, any kind of like device.